Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to remove grimace shake on CapCut. So this thing is very trending right now on the TikTok. So if you want to enjoy this trend, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So how you can remove it? First of all, you have to open your TikTok and you have to take a screenshot of the picture you want to remove the grimace filter. And once you will do it, you have to open your browser, and once you will do it, you have to search for the object remover from the picture, and multiple websites will be appear here, so you can select any. So right now I am going to photoroom.com. Once you will do it, now scroll up and here you will see start from the photo. Once you will do it, you have to upload the screenshot and click on the done. After that, you have to adjust the size of the brush and you have to select the part you want to remove from the picture. And as you can see, I have select the grimace shake from here, and it will take a few seconds, and as you can see, shake is removed. Now you can simply download it. So this is all about. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.